Let's see, brake repair job. Whoops, brake repair job, 1970 Volkswagen van, brake assembly, bolt loosening, breaker bar. Oh, that's right. It's kind of tough to get these suckers off, so let's take a look at this. All right. I should have cleaned it up. Maybe there's a video on it being clean first. Anyway, the whole point is that what you have is a crescent wrench there with a little extension, right, and a socket that fits, and it didn't go on this one, no, it went on that one, but it's going to go on that one. It's going to be tight. It's not easy to put on, not easy to crank over, to turn, because it's tight, and you don't want to hurt your knuckles, right? I already cut myself right there. It's like it's infected too. It's red. So make sure you have some Neosporin or some triple antibiotic ointment or something, right? Well, you need a breaker bar, which is a piece of pipe. Where do you get a piece of pipe? Oh boy. Go to Home Depot. See what they have. Go to a plumbing supply company. Call them up. Say, I got a question for you. I'm trying to make a breaker bar for some of my tools, like my ratchet. And it looks like, it's just a standard ratchet, a 3/8 drive, right? Nice to have a breaker bar that's a foot or two long, sticks out over the edge. Do you have any pre-cut foot long or 2 foot long metal pipes that might slide over the end? And they might say, yeah, they might actually have one. And they just go, all right, how much is it? And they'll say, hey, you can probably just have it, kid. Yeah, especially if you're nice. And bring them some cookies. Maybe they'll give it to you for free. And then you can't do it with one hand. There you go. I probably loosened it up. I'm just going to demonstrate it. You need 2 hands for this. No, maybe I did. I don't know. We'll see. Does this video restart? That's so good. We're watching it twice on replay. All right.